Hello friends, welcome to Eat East Indian channel. Today we will enjoy super delicious okra for lunch, and I know it's very hard to get fresh vegetables, so I am using frozen okra. This is a sliced okra called Bhindi. You can find it in the frozen section of your superstore, supermarket. And there are a couple different ways to cook it. You can just take the okra out, run it through cold water. This is straight from the freezer. You can also just let it thaw and then cook it that way. So it's completely up to you how you like to prepare okra. So thaw it, or maybe just let it run under cold water. This is also great in soups, guys, so I will leave link for okra soup on top of this video for you to check out as well. Besides okra, we will also use the onion. Onion is base of our masala. We use onion along with ginger and garlic, so grab an onion. It might seem like it's a big onion. Lots of onion is required with okra and it tastes delicious, so don't shy away from cutting a big large onion for this dish. When you are ready to cook, guys, heat a pan. Once the pan is hot, only then add in some oil. Let the oil become hot, give it a couple of minutes, and then we will add in some whole spices. This recipe doesn't require a lot, just some cumin seeds and mustard seeds, black or yellow mustard seeds, whichever you might have on hand. Now add in those chopped onions. Along with them, we will also add in ginger and garlic. So giving a quick mix to the onions along with the seeds so that they can get coated with the oil. You can use ginger garlic paste if you have some on hand, or simply add in some grated ginger. Indian households usually have ginger and garlic on hand. If you don't have it, don't sweat out too much. Alright, just mixing these ingredients, guys, and then we will add in some spices. We will add in some salt, chili powder, and turmeric. So once all these ingredients are well incorporated with the oil, you will add in turmeric for the beautiful yellow color. For its antiseptic properties, salt should be as per your taste, and some chili powder. Let's just mix it all well together. We will let the masala cook. Make sure you are stirring masala in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. When onions have started to emit nice aroma, color is changing, then you know masala is ready. Then you will add in your bhindi. You can pat it dry if you run it under cold water, or just add it as such. Now, one thing about bhindi, okra, that my mom always says is to cook it on an open flame so it doesn't become slimy or sticky. So you can do that, or you can cover the pot with the lid. Alright, we are mixing everything well together. We'll let bhindi cook until it's no longer raw. Should be 10 to 15 minutes. You can check it. If it has become tender, it's ready to be done. The dish is almost ready. Then you will finish it off with some garam masala. Garam masala is always added in the end on top, a little, almost like a garnish, and black pepper if you want to add in some heat. That's it, guys. So really simple dish. Once you've added these spices, mix the bhindi well, and then enjoy it with chapati, with roti, with parantha. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll bring around another tasty dish, so stay tuned to Eat East Indian.